Alright, so this is the third time of me trying to record this video, but basically what I did was I went back to the PCB and decided to just do a few pretty major redesigns. In the last computer video, V3 video that I did minor changes, and at that point I knew what I wanted to do. I didn't think it was necessary. But because PCBs are so expensive and I already know how I want the board to look and I already know how I want it to make it different, I figured that I should just complete it. So this is the old one. It has a bunch of pin placers everywhere, and in the new one, they're all in one spot. One row's the positive and then one row's this is the positive and this is the ground. I moved this over. And then I'm also going to move this back like this and have this overhang more as much as I can. But I move this over to fill up that space and then make sure this can fit right here. But yeah, so I'm just going to continue editing this. I need to trace everything and then run a bunch of checks and make sure everything's good. And I'm almost to the point where I can buy it. I just need to save up a little bit more money and then I should be good. Cool. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is try to connect everything, and then I'm going to clean everything up, and then I'm going to triple, quadruple check all the connections with the last version of the computer. Alright, so I'm looking at the design and I realized that I don't need the SWO and PA3, which is a bummer, so I need to replace this part again. But yeah, that's the point of this. Getting through as much mistakes as possible before I actually buy one. And then once I buy one, then I'll put everything together and redesign it. I find these as I go to LCSC, go to connectors, and then I pick pin headers for the specific connector that I'm using. And then I search number 2 rows, and then number of pins. And then you copy the LCSC part, paste it into here. And then place it. 0 errors. Everything looks good. So now all I have to do is kind of re-look at everything and make sure everything's wired up like the first one like this one. Let's see, can't see it very well. But like this one that I know works, so I need to double check with the last schematic and look at everything and make sure that everything lines up correctly. Alright, I think that's good. I don't know why the 3D model has this big old thing over here. But I got all the pins that I needed. The only thing is the writing. Alright, so that's done. Cool. Next thing I'm going to look at the lights, and then I'm going to price out everything and see how much I need to save up. Peace.